Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's the first time seeing my face. My name is Atunike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this amazing headband wig using a braiding hair. So I've already shown you guys the braiding that I'm going to be using. I'm using xpression hair in color 30 and in color 1. Now I divide the hair into 3. Yes, I cut one pack of hair into 3 sections. There is a wig cap I'm going to be using. Is a crochet wig cap. Just showing you how the wig cap look like. Me attaching the headband first, I really made a mistake. I would advise you to attach your headband after achieving the crochet hair. Make sure it's the last thing, because one, I'm working with a small headband. I didn't see the medium size I usually purchase. They have only big size and small size, so I purchased the small size, which it was kind of, how will I put it, I don't really like how the small size of headband look like. So if you want to get a headband, purchase the medium one. So now I'm just crocheting from the back. I started with knotting the hair twice. Later I started doing a knotless method. After I finished achieving this side, I continue with a knotless method towards the front part. You are still going to see. Just keep on watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much, guys. Please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Happy holiday, guys. So you can see this is the part I said I did a knotless crochet method, and you can see the quantity of the hair I'm taking little by little. If you take a very big hair, the front won't be neat at all. It will feel so chunky. It won't even be flat at the front. So that is why, even if it's possible, if you have the time, you can actually make the hair smaller than mine, but it's a lot of work. This size I'm achieving is a very good size for the front parts. I make sure anytime I finish crocheting a track, I'm going to brush it down. That is going to be very easier for you if you want to start straightening your hair, because this hair I'm not going to be putting hot water. No, I don't really like using the hot water method for a synthetic hair. I prefer using a straightening iron. Just keep on watching. You're going to see how I'm going to be doing that. So this is the color 30 I'm using, putting it at the middle. I just want it to be peeking through under. I don't really want it to show at the front or at the top. So I just want it to be peeking through under at the back. So I didn't even finish the 2 pack of hair I used. I used only 1 and a little bit. I won't say half, because the second colored I used, it was not even up to half that I used. You can see I brush again when I finish crocheting that part. Make sure you keep brushing so that your hair won't really get tangled, and it will be easier for you to work with when you want to start straightening the hair. So I'm at the front middle now. Will I say middle front? Middle front. So you can see I keep on crocheting. I'm at the front part now. I just keep on crocheting. You can see I'm knotting it only once because I don't want the front to be kind of bigger. I don't really know how I'm going to put that. Then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be brushing the hair. Now let's begin with the straightening. So I'll section a little bit, then brush it out. Then I'm going to be taking a small comb. I comb it. I use this Wivon oil. You have to put it so that it will secure your hair from turning to be, I'm making use of a plastic. You don't want to burn the hair. And the straightener I'm using is not really hot. At some point, I'm going to off it. Just put it on the lowest number if your straightener has number. If it does not have number, just make sure you off it, or else this hair will just get damaged, and you don't want that to happen. You can see I off my at some particular point, then I start straightening it back with the straightener. Be trimming the tip off after I finish straightening it. So this is the last but not the least. I'm going to do the same thing. Add the serum oil, rub it to the body, then go in with the straightener. You can see how amazing this looks like. Just don't make the straightener to be hot, then I'll trim off the excess. This is another one. Sorry, that is not the last one. I thought it was the last one. It's not the last one. I'm going to go in with the straightener, do the same thing. After I finish straightening the hair, I'm going to trim off the tip. Yes, the sharp tip. I'm going to trim it off a little bit. So can you see how this hair is bouncing? Look at the comb, it's just going through, as in nothing is stopping it. Can you see that? Oh, I really love the outcome of this hair. It's so light, it's not too much. In fact, I really love the outcome. Then I'm going to be adding a comb. Is this a comb or a clip? I don't know what I'm going to call this, just to secure the wig, so the wig won't, when you're just moving your hair, the wig won't come off and everybody will know that, wow, this is a wig. Don't mind me. So now let's rock the hair. I really love the outcome of this. You can see the headband I purchased is the small size, but I have to work with what I have, what I saw at the store, because I really need to make this video. So if you want to achieve yours, just make sure you get a medium size so that it will cover the top very well. But never mind, it won't show by the time I use my fancy headband. Oh my god, I love the outcome of this hair. Then I'll brush it down. This hair came out so beautiful. I really love it so much. This is what the back look like. Can you see that the color is just peeking through? Can you see? I love the color combination though. So this is the final look. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. Happy holiday, guys. Do not forget to click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. See you in my next video. Ciao, love you, bye. Enjoy your holiday. Happy